Are you asking yourself what's the best way to make money if you're just getting started on YouTube? We'll be breaking down and sharing with you the different monetization strategies that creators are having on their channels. We'll be showing you the 6 best ways to make money on YouTube in 2021 in the next 6 minutes. Let's go.
So the first way to make money on YouTube is YouTube ads. Now, this is usually the slowest way because it takes time to build up your channel and actually be able to join the YouTube Partner Program. You need to get 1,000 subscribers and eventually 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months, and that's always rolling. And then you can apply for the program. When I think about this method of monetization, I think about my channel, Think Media. In the early days, I was making like less than $100 a month, but just this last month, we did over $32,000 in the YouTube Partner Program, but that's from posting a lot of content, building up our influence over a lot of years. So this is something to maybe consider a tip jar at first, kind of a back burner idea at first, and really focus on the next 5 strategies because they can help you monetize a lot quicker. And if you want to learn more about details like the highest CPM niches, which is the type of channels that pay the most and things like that, definitely watch our video influencers video breaking it all down. We'll link that up in the description as well as on the YouTube card.
The second way to make money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Have you ever watched somebody and they referred you to a product? You go to that website and buy it. Well, oftentimes they've got an affiliate relationship with that retailer and they get paid for the sale of that product. You can take advantage of this through programs such as Amazon affiliates or many online retailers who offer this.
And there is an affiliate program for pretty much everything. I mean, Target, Nordstrom, Dick's Sporting Goods, Cabela's, software companies, course sellers, event companies, almost anything sold online has an affiliate program. This is one of the best ways to get started because you don't need to get approved for YouTube monetization to be able to do this. This makes us think about TechnoDad, Chana, who does home theater reviews, speaker reviews, and tutorials and unboxings of really like 4K TVs and all kind of things like that. And he makes thousands a month through affiliate marketing. Back when I was making just a little bit of money with YouTube ads on Think Media, I was able to quit my job and go full time because of affiliate marketing. So this is definitely one you may want to explore more.
The next way to make money on YouTube is channel memberships. Now, to be part of this program, you need to have a partner program eligible YouTube channel. You've got to have at least 1,000 subscribers and need to be over 18. To get all the details on how to be part of this, just hit the link down below for more information. But basically, this is an enhanced relationship with your subscribers. This gives them the ability to pay you money to support you on your channel, but get exclusive content, special live streams. You can start this fairly soon.
Yeah, and a great example of this is Ben Azadi from Keto Camp. For $6.99 a month, you can become a member of his channel. In addition to some custom emojis, you also get a live Q&A with Ben every month, discount on his merchandise, and a couple other bonuses that he's wrapped within that channel membership. So again, this creates an income stream in addition to Ben's affiliate marketing and his YouTube ads, and you can start to see how these income streams stack.
Another example of memberships is Live Streaming Pros. Our friends David and Luria, they have a channel where they share people how to live stream and best practices. And through their memberships program, they've got over 260 members paying anywhere from $2 a month up to $50 for the most exclusive membership. And this revenue gets them almost $1,000 in revenue passively every single month. The fourth monetization strategy that I personally love is brand deals or sponsorships, as most people know them. This is where a brand pays a creator money to promote their product or service in their content. So what I love about it is you can actually start doing this right off the bat because oftentimes brands specialize in the product or service. They don't specialize in creating content. So people that have the ability to make high quality videos can get paid for just the video itself because it's a commercial that they would have to pay for anyways. But if you go into the next levels, then they're paying for your influence. My wife and I, we've been influencers for the last 10 years, and this has been a majority of our income since we started here on YouTube. So this can be anywhere from the low hundreds to thousands up to the 6-figure range just for one video or one series of videos when it comes to brand deals.
The fifth strategy is packaging what you know in an online course and then selling it through your YouTube channel. And so this makes me think of Nicole from Kids OT Help. She's She's a mommy influencer, and she has some online courses about tummy time and feeding and getting your baby to sleep, as well as coaching that she does helping new moms. Or Melanie Ham, we interviewed her on the Video Influencers channel, and she has a crocheting and a DIY and quilting channel, and she has various courses and classes that she sells through her website that helps her create another income stream. So especially if you are an education type of YouTube channel, online courses could be one of the best ways of creating income this year. Now we're gonna get to tip 6 in just a second, but stick around because we have a cool resource for you to help you make more money this year on YouTube. But tip number 6 is merch. And the basic way to do this is through YouTube's merch shelf via Teespring. And we do this at a super basic level over on Think Media. The eligibility requirements are you need 1,000 subscribers, you're already a part of the YouTube Partner Program, you're over 18 years old, and it becomes pretty easy to put together your logo or some graphic design on hats or mugs or t-shirts. But there's also another level of merch.
The next level of merch is selling your own products or apparel through your own brand. My wife and I, we've been on this platform for a very long time, working with a lot of good platforms. However, it wasn't until just last year where she launched her own brand, JMK. This lets her control the quality, lets her control the whole brand messaging, and basically it's 100% profit. She's not sharing with any middleman. And this is a great way not only to build a brand, but to build a business off platform. So regardless if she creates content or not, she will have a customer base to the products she produces at JMK that have nothing to do with views on YouTube.
But here's the thing, those are 6 of the best ways to make money on YouTube, but we always say at Video Influencers, influence comes first, income comes second. If you want to actually start generating money this year, you got to get the views, you got to get the subscribers, and you got to start growing your channel. And if you want help doing that and you haven't seen our free YouTube web class, you can just go to learnvideo.live, or there'll be a link in the description down below. It's an hour-long class that'll really help you with the best strategies and algorithm hacks that are working right now to grow your YouTube channel. So check out that free class and start growing your YouTube channel faster.
Question of the day, tell us which monetization strategy fits best with your content down in the comments below. And click or tap the screen to see the next video in the series that help you get more views, more subscribers, and crush it on YouTube. We'll talk to you later.